Alright guys, I got this really dumb idea. It's kind of a meme. If you don't like Chick-fil-A sauce, it really is the nectar of the gods. It's one of the greatest things to ever be made. So I thought I'd kind of make a little bit of a meme out of it. Make some art. Something you can hang in your room and be proud of. So I'll give you a little third-person POV. Alright, so I think I'll leave it a secret of what it's going to say when we're actually done with it. But I've got this giant display case. I'm going to clean out this glass. How do I do that? But actually, we'll do this part first. So, I'm going to write some words here. And I'll show you in the end. I wrote this in case of bad day. Break glass, and this Chick-fil-A sauce is going to be right here. So, yeah. Alright, it's super good on there. We'll just let that sit for a bit. Oh my god. It's a beautiful. I wonder if I'm gonna break it. So, today I thought we'd try a little bit something fun for this little compilation. So we have these, regulation drunk goggles. As you can see, it's this fatal vision, you know. If you don't get that, that reference there, that means, because, you know, when you're drunk driving, you can die, so. Yeah, so we're just gonna be trying. So we're just gonna be trying. Dude, that's not even funny. Captain.
God damn, that was a bad idea, and this might be the most unfunny thing I've ever seen.
Jesus Christ, are you okay?
Oh my, call an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
Alright.
Have you ever wanted to die? I gotta drop a deuce, buddy. Toilet paper! Dude, why can't people flush the toilet? Oh no, we're just filming a skit. Just like, it came out her window and she goes, did you really just use that bathroom? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, let's try this again. Let me in! Open it!
It's broken. I'm not a mechanic.
How am I supposed to get in? Do you want toes?
Hey Grant, wanna play some pig?
Yeah, but I'm in the game. Alright, go. Guys, do it.
Grant, you have to throw the ball.
Oh! Oh! I get it now.
Grant, actually try or you're gonna be grounded.
Try this time. Oh! Right here? It's like I legitimately just don't know how to throw a basketball.
Grant, this is your last try.
Oh my god. That's a tight fit. Ah!